Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a poll on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, of course, the first thing to do is just to open your YouTube Shorts and then start creating your YouTube. And I'm just going to click on Start Over, and basically you will need just to add your content, whatever it was, and after that, I'm just going to click on done. And now we will need to start editing on our content. And simply, I'm just going to click OK. And basically, to add the poll, you will need just to add a sticker. So basically, here on the stickers, we will find the Q&As. You can add your own sticker, quiz, and poll. We are interested in polls here in this video. So basically, all we need to do is to ask a question and basically uh, and here I'm just going to add here and you will need just to add the no answer, which is, for example, and basically by that you will be able to start having your polls. And as you can see, viewers can vote on a poll option, and of course you can start having some styling option by changing their color, etc. And you can also move it there, and you can zoom it by on your screen, and you can place it wherever you like. And whenever you want to delete a poll option, you need just to drag it and drop it there. And after that, you will be able to click on next, and you can also have a timeline here. So if you click on it, you will be able to start editing on the poll. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.